Shiba Inu, once a quiet presence in the crypto world, has suddenly become the talk of the town. For months, it seemed to be just another meme coin, quietly sitting in the background while other cryptocurrencies took the spotlight. But now, SHIB has erupted with a flurry of activity, catching even seasoned investors off guard. The price charts are moving at breakneck speed, and the buzz is impossible to ignore. After months of dormancy, SHIB is making headlines everywhere, from major financial news outlets to social media feeds. Investors, analysts, and crypto enthusiasts are all scrambling to understand what's driving this sudden surge. Here at Shiba Insights, we're breaking down the forces behind this explosive breakout. Our team has been tracking the data, the rumors, and the real developments that are shaping SHIB's trajectory. This isn't just a random spike, it's a convergence of major investor moves, significant technology upgrades, and a fired-up community that refuses to be ignored. The energy is palpable, and the momentum is building. Imagine a small town suddenly booming with new investment, community projects, and a highway connecting it to the big city. That's SHIB right now, transforming from a quiet outpost into a bustling hub of activity and opportunity. Big money is flowing in, the community is building, and new partnerships are being forged every day. Developers and volunteers are working tirelessly to expand SHIB's reach and impact. New integrations are connecting SHIB to the wider financial world, opening doors to fresh possibilities and making it easier for people to use and trade SHIB in real-world scenarios. SHIB is evolving from a meme coin into a complex ecosystem with real utility, innovative projects, and a growing network of supporters who believe in its future. We'll dive into the week's key events, whale movements, token burns, and strategic partnerships that are making headlines and moving the market. Our analysis will reveal what's fueling this surge and what it could mean for the future of SHIB and its investors. Understanding these drivers is crucial for anyone watching or investing in SHIB. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just curious about the hype, knowing the facts can help you make smarter decisions. Stay with us as we unpack the data and trends shaping this pivotal moment. We'll guide you through the numbers, the news, and the narratives that matter most. The story of Shiba Inu is unfolding fast, and we're here to help you make sense of it all. Let's get started and dive into the world of SHIB together. To truly grasp SHIB's remarkable surge, let's break down the numbers and trends shaping its current momentum. This week, Shiba Inu has captured the attention of both seasoned investors and newcomers, making headlines across the crypto world. As of October 8, 2025, SHIB is trading at 0 DAO, 0.8850, a major leap from just weeks ago. This price jump represents not only a significant gain for holders, but also a renewed sense of optimism in the community. Trading volume has soared into the billions, signaling global investor interest and high liquidity. Such massive volume means SHIB is being bought and sold at a rapid pace, reflecting its growing popularity and trust among traders. SHIB has reclaimed its spot in the top 20 cryptocurrencies, by market cap, outpacing thousands of competitors. This achievement puts SHIB back in the spotlight, showing its resilience in a fiercely competitive market. This isn't a fleeting moment. SHIB is proving its staying power. The coin's ability to bounce back and maintain momentum is winning over skeptics and attracting new believers. Think of the crypto market as a sports league. SHIB just jumped from mid-table to championship contender. Its recent performance has made it a team to watch, with fans and critics alike keeping a close eye on its next moves. High price, surging volume, and a rising market cap all point to strong bullish sentiment. These indicators suggest that confidence in SHIB is at a high, and many expect the rally to continue. Investors are betting on further gains, fueling a positive feedback loop. As more people jump in, the excitement builds, creating even more momentum for SHIB's upward trajectory. The big question, can this momentum last? With every surge comes uncertainty, and many are wondering if SHIB can sustain its impressive run, or if a correction is on the horizon. We'll explore what's driving this rally and what could sustain it. From market sentiment to technical factors, there's a lot to unpack behind SHIB's recent success. SHIB's performance is making the entire market take notice. Other coins are watching closely, and analysts are debating whether this is the start of a new era for meme coins. Let's dive deeper and see what's really behind the numbers, and what the future might hold for SHIB's market dominance. In the world of cryptocurrency, whales, those holding massive amounts of a particular coin, can significantly move markets with their trades. Their actions are closely watched by investors. This week, SHIB whales have been especially active, moving trillions of tokens and signaling a strong sense of confidence in the market. These movements are not random, they often indicate strategic planning. When whales buy big, smaller investors often follow suit, amplifying the effect on the market. This herd behavior can lead to significant price movements. On-chain data reveals that whales are increasing their SHIB holdings. This is a calculated move, indicating a long-term strategy rather than mere speculation. Think of it like VIPs flocking to a hot new club. More inflows mean the party's just getting started. The more whales that join, the more attractive SHIB becomes to other investors. SHIB's positive net flow, more whales buying than selling, is a bullish sign for the cryptocurrency. It suggests that the market sentiment is optimistic. Recent tech upgrades, like new wallet integrations, make it easier and safer for big players to hold SHIB. These advancements reduce the risk and increase the appeal of holding large amounts of SHIB. These improvements boost confidence and reduce barriers for institutional investors, making it more likely for them to enter the market. Whale activity, combined with better infrastructure, sets the stage for a sustained rally in SHIB's value. This could be the beginning of a significant upward trend. For SHIB watchers, this is a critical moment. The actions of these whales could determine the future direction of the market. The moves of these giants could shape the next phase of SHIB's journey, influencing both short-term and long-term trends. Let's keep tracking the big players and see where they lead us next in the ever-evolving world of SHIB. The SHIB army isn't just holding, they're actively burning tokens to create scarcity. Token burning is like a company buying back shares, making each remaining token more valuable. With SHIB's huge initial supply, burns are crucial for boosting price potential. Every burn reduces supply, increasing each token's share of the pie. The psychological impact is huge. Burn events unite the community and attract new investors. Shibarium, SHIB's Layer 2 network, now automates burns by allocating a portion of transaction fees. The more Shibarium is used, the more SHIB gets burned, tying scarcity to real network activity. This shift makes burning a built-in, sustainable part of the ecosystem. The SHIB army's efforts are turning scarcity into a long-term value driver. It's a smart move that keeps SHIB in the spotlight. The buzz around a potential SHIB ETF is growing, and it could be a game-changer. An ETF would let traditional investors buy SHIB through regular brokerage accounts, opening the door to massive new capital. The SHIB army is pushing hard, petitioning major asset managers to consider a SHIB ETF. If approved, it would legitimize SHIB and make it accessible to millions more investors. Imagine a local coffee shop suddenly being sold in every Starbucks. Demand would skyrocket. Of course, regulatory hurdles remain, but SHIB's growing market cap and community support strengthen its case. The success of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs shows the path is possible. Even the discussion of a SHIB ETF is drawing institutional attention. While not guaranteed, the ETF dream is fueling excitement and keeping SHIB in the financial spotlight. Wall Street is watching closely. With momentum building, some predict SHIB could surge 800% from here. Is it realistic? Let's break it down. Crypto bull runs often follow Bitcoin halving events, and we're in that post-halving window now. SHIB's fundamentals are stronger than ever. Shibarium is live, burns are automated, and the community is organized. Unlike past meme rallies, SHIB's growth is backed by real utility and partnerships. An 800% jump would require major new capital, possibly from retail, whales, and even an ETF. But remember, crypto is volatile and big gains come with big risks. Everything would need to go right. Market strength, community momentum, and no regulatory setbacks. The potential is there, but caution is key. The path will be bumpy, testing even the most loyal holders. Stay informed and realistic as the story unfolds. Zooming out, SHIB's greatest strength is its community. From whales to everyday holders, there's a shared belief in SHIB's long-term vision. This collective spirit powered SHIB through tough times and now fuels its resurgence. The focus is shifting from hype to real-world utility and development. This week's breakout validates the community's patience and hard work. SHIB is maturing, attracting more serious investors and building a stronger foundation. The rally is driven by data, whale moves, token burns, and the ETF buzz. The journey will be volatile, but the groundwork for future growth is solid. Whether SHIB hits ambitious targets or not, it remains one of crypto's most exciting projects. Stay tuned to Shiba Insights for the latest analysis and join the conversation.